Hey guys, Candy Crush here. Kawaii Crush. I forgot my name. What the heck? Okay, so I just want you to see my picture. That little Relakuma. He's cute. So today I'm going to be making a squishy. I'm making a red velvet squishy, and I've already started painting it so I don't have to waste time with you guys. So yeah, so what you're gonna need for this is some paint, any colors. I'm definitely using this white and a red and a brown because I'm making red velvet. A piping bag and a shish kebab stick. Wedges, like makeup wedges. Whipple. I made my own whipple. You guys can see. Made my own whipple. So, and it's just a blue one. But it kind of looks like a yellowish, kind of cheesecakey kind of thing. And this is not mandatory, some glue. And a paper plate or napkins to go down. So, first you're going to want to take one wedge and start to paint it. So, when you're all done painting your wedge, you can then tip it that way. Just to the side you want it to be tipped down. So I want it to be tipped on this side to make it a really good one. You can even glue two together to make it a really, really, really big one. But I'm not going to do that. So now you're going to want to push a hole in your piping bag, which I have already done. So just put a hole in it, so when you put this in, it'll work. So then grab your whipple and just put a tiny bit in, because most people don't like a lot. Well, I mean, I don't like a lot. Not most people, but like, I don't. So then just let it droop down to the bottom. That's what I'm doing. Just push it down the piping bag so that you can get it all at the bottom. Just test it first, and yeah, it works. Then twist it. I'm twisting it over mine so I don't waste a whole bunch of it. So now I'm just gonna go and just do a line on the cheesecake. And you can do like drooping, which I'm doing. I'm doing drizzle. So yeah. I'm covering the whole top too, so just like that. So it looks like icing everywhere. Dripping down the side and in the unders. Okay, then you can squeeze all yours back into your whipple. So, you're just gonna wait till it's done. Oh my gosh. And then you're done. Bye guys.